All right, the old Manco Spitfire, running a Predator 212, stock rod, stock timing, just has governor removed, 18-pound valve springs, VM22 carb, and a header pipe. Got the Juggernaut, no tuner kit, just stock, regular 30 series rear driver, disc brakes. So this thing rips. Does like 50 miles an hour actually. With the Juggernaut, it runs great, but had a little bit of issues with the front spindles. So the tabs, the stock tabs are really thin, and they've bent and been bent back many times. This one, straight with the back wheel, this one ain't great. So this bent out. So it bent the, I tack welded this because it had a crack in it and because it's been bent so many times, but that tie rod or tie rod link, whatever you want to call it, she's mangled, but also got a bit of a camber issue going on there too. So it was time for new spindles. So Go Power Sports has them. These are the stock spindles actually. They're pretty heavy duty. So I'm gonna unbolt the old, take off the wheels, and bolt in the new spindles. And we'll get this thing back up and running. Take it for a rip. Alright, got these wheels off. This guy's not too bad. This one's a banana. So, I don't know if you can see that, but she just, so it bent like right there. So, definitely hit something. This thing gets whooped on, so it comes with the territory. So, I'm going to put the new ones on and we'll be on our way. So this is our old spindle. All kinds of cattywampus. These were they were set up as a drop. So the spindle itself was up high. They're just opposite units for both sides. So I actually just put it with the spindle on the low side because this always had a little bit of an issue with ground clearance. So the extra inch, it didn't move the steering arm. It's still centered. It's just a matter of the bolt being welded here or up top. So I did a flip, and should give us a little bit of extra ground clearance, and see how it performs. Okay, got this thing dialed in. Got the new spindles installed, and it looks pretty damn good. I mean, it's got about an inch more ground clearance in the front, which is definitely necessary. It always pitched down, so it looks a hell of a lot more level. We'll see how it drives, but it'll definitely drive better than it did with the mangled spindle. So just put this new exhaust on, muffler. The old one rattled itself to death, so that one's on. And just filled it up with gas. Gonna fire this thing up, let it warm up, and go for a rip.